Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to submit a feedback in the United Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the Help and Settings section, click on the Submit Feedback button. So first select the feedback category, and then provide a feedback on your selected category. So if you have a problem or if you are satisfied with the functions, you can do that, and then just click on the Done button after that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.